In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Bookings. Zoho Bookings is a fantastic tool that helps streamline your appointment scheduling, manage interviews, and automate your workflow, making your day-to-day operations much more efficient. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most out of Zoho Bookings. First things first, you'll want to log into your Zoho account and navigate to the Zoho Bookings application. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub, where all the essential tools are readily accessible, making it easy to get started and manage your bookings. Next, let's turn our attention to managing appointments. Click on the Appointments tab. This is where you'll handle all your client meetings. Need to schedule a new appointment? No problem. Just click the plus New Appointment button, pick the date and time that works best, add a brief description if necessary, and don't forget to hit Save. This is also the spot where you can view and, if needed, edit any existing appointments, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Moving on, let's look at the Interviews section. This is specifically tailored for those coordinating job interviews, making it a breeze to schedule and manage. Simply click on Plus New Interview to create a new slot. From here, you can easily assign interviewers and manage the timing, ensuring that each interview is perfectly organized and efficiently handled. Now, let's navigate to the Workflow tab. This is where the magic of automation happens, turning complex booking processes into simple, seamless tasks. You have the power to set up automatic email reminders for your clients, whether it's a confirmation or a follow-up email after a meeting. By automating these processes, you minimize manual effort and keep everything centralized and organized. In the Recruiters tab, you can direct your focus on assigning the right people to the right tasks. Easily assign recruiters or interviewers to the setup interviews and keep track of who is handling each session. This feature is crucial for maintaining a well-coordinated recruitment process, keeping everything in check and transparent. Finally, let's explore the Booking Pages section. This is your opportunity to shine as it allows you to create a custom booking page for your clients. Tailor this page to reflect your services, indicate available slots, and add any special instructions. This makes it super convenient for clients to book appointments directly, enhancing their experience and yours. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips. Make sure to integrate Zoho Bookings with your calendar, whether you use Google or Zoho Calendar, to ensure seamless syncing of your appointments. Also, take advantage of those workflows. They're a real time saver when it comes to client interactions, especially for reminders and follow-ups. Now you're all set to streamline your scheduling tasks like a pro.